guys, welcome to update on the put diagonal what we are having in Nifty. So the put diagonal is December 18,000 PE and 14th of October 17,650 PE. So the position has not changed as of now. I am just going to give you a minor update on that because our December 18,000 PE has gone into a loss. Okay, so the market shot up above 18,000. So this briefly became out of the money, but right now it is still like in the money, one strike in the money, not at the money, one strike in the money. But since the time is passing, so the premiums have eroded and the market has also gone up. So the premium have eroded a bit. So today we are at a loss of 7,800 rupees. So when your long option is providing a loss, your weekly short option will provide a very good profit. So the 17,650 PE, which is expiring in another 3 days, we sold it for 57.3. So today it is trading at about 18.35. So we have got about 3,900 rupees of profit currently running. So 17,650 is quite far from 17,945. So it's about 300 points out of the money since the VIX has gone up and put premiums are generally richer due to the put strike volatility. That's why means the premium is still a bit elevated. Let's see means where the VIX is. You see the VIX has gone up by about 2.8%. So that is why the premiums looks very high, but this the decay will happen. Market coming down 300 points is not very likely, but is possible. Okay, because Nifty can move in one day 150 points. We have seen means Nifty moves up or down. It moves. It will become very volatile. But right now the weekly put looks safe for expiring worthless. We still have a lot of time. There are many people who have inquired in the group that, sir, December 18,000 PE is now OTM. What to do? What to do? There is nothing to worry. Means we are planning our weekly premium collection to account for that premium erosion in the long option. At the end, we will come out profitable. There is no need to worry about 18,000 PE going OTM. There is still a lot of time. We are only in the mid of October. So we have got complete mid of November, mid of December, end of December. 2.5 months left. Means to collect lot of premium against this long put option. Okay. Right now, how much we have collected? Let's see right now how much we have collected. Means I just want to make this one clear for the people. Why unnecessarily we are worrying about the calendar trades. Right now, you can see the profit alone what we have booked. 1 week we booked loss. Okay, that was for the hedge, means that was a mistake, but that was for a hedge. Now it is 1835. So we are at good profit. So this is, I think, 502. Okay, this is the close price. So I'll keep it as it is. So currently the whole position is still running at about 4,700 rupees profit. Okay, but how much is the profit we have already booked? You can see we have booked about 8,700 rupees of profit. Profit loss everything means overall means the booked amount is positive 8,700 rupees. And this week certainly we will book another 5,000 plus rupees, 5,730. So probably we will book about 5,500 rupees of profit. Means we have to roll over. So that time we have to leave some premium. We will leave it. So if I say that I am closing this at about 2 rupees, consider that way 5,300 I am coming. So consider that one. So in this trade by this weekend we could have booked 14,200 rupees of profit. I am talking about two lots, okay, 100 quantity. If you have booked one lot, just divide it by 2, means it's half of it. So 14,200 rupees of profit we would have already booked. Plus we would have collected a premium also for the next week expiry. Okay, so that how it goes we don't know, but we could have collected the premium. But booked profits, total profits will be about 14,200. If it is a single lot like many people have done, it will be about 7,100 rupees. 7,100 rupees of profit we are booking, and we are still keeping your long option open. If the market comes down again, the long option also will start gaining. Basically what we are trying to do, we are trying to eat weekly premiums with the hedge of a long term option. So if the weekly is giving loss, the long term option will give profit. Okay, if the long term option is giving loss, the weekly will give profit. It is completely hedged. So there is no need to worry about one option going OTM, one option going ITM. There is no need to worry about it. There will be losses. You can see in the previous calendar trades also we have booked loss. Nobody questions because the long option is already in profit in the previous weeks. Okay, so now the long option is going into loss. People are worried. Sir, long option is going into loss. What to do? There is nothing to worry. The long option in a calendar trade is always stationary. You can go and see the calendar spread and calendar, the calendar diagonal, put calendar diagonal, any calendar spread. If you see the adjustment strategy, the adjustment is always on the weeklies. Roll up, roll down, roll out. Only that your long-term option does not change. It gives profit, it gives loss, it does not change. You just keep it as it is. If you are going to move your long-term option, better you come out of the trade entirely and take a completely new trade. Because the moment you move the long option, it becomes a new trade, right? So just book the loss there, book the profit in your weekly option, then completely change your strategy. Right now we are having a put calendar spread or a diagonal spread. You just change it to call calendar spread, diagonal spread. We will come to that point when it closes above 18,000 and sustains there. That time this strategy I will close. We will be anyway closing it with some profit only. We are not going to close in loss. So already we have booked a good amount of profit. Okay, I'll just change it to 18.35, this one. So the total strategy, including whatever loss we are having on a long-term option, we are already running at about 3.5-4% of profit. So when did we start? We started at about 30th of September. So now we are only 2 weeks. In the 2 weeks, we have already received about 4%, means weekly 2%. That is our target, right? Means that is what I am doing. Call condor, call calendar, everything we are targeting weekly 2%. If it is weekly 2%, you double your capital in 1 year. Okay, as simple as that. Just target weekly 2%. You will target little bit higher because there will be losing weeks also. So what we are going to do, we are going to target slightly higher than 2%, probably 2.5-3%. Some cases like the call condor one, we are targeting about 3.5 to 4% per week, because we will have losing weeks. To compensate for the losing weeks, the winning weeks needs to have a more money. Okay, so the trades what are taken are fully calculated trades. These numbers are, these premiums and numbers are all not random. Okay, what premium we have paid for the long term option, based on that premium I have already shared the calendar spread premium calculation, weekly premium calculation sheet I have already shared. Just one small advice from my side. When you take the trade, have confidence on your trade. There is someone like me who will guide on the trades, because I am giving the strategy, I am giving the levels. I'll guide on the trade. But the confidence in the trade should come to you. You should know why you are taking the trade. Then why I am uploading all these strategy videos and everything. I can simply start another indoor based company and start giving calls. I am not doing that. Whenever I am giving a strategy, I am giving a rationale behind it. I am sharing all the calculation sheets. When I do everything also, people are worried. Sir, it is going on loss. See, loss is part of the business. I cannot be 100% right in all the time. Nobody in the world can be 100% right all the time. There may be losses on the way. It is not the only loss what we are having. I have given some trades in the premium group, and few of that losing money we will lose less. Winning, when we win, we will do win a little bit more, so it everything compensates out. We will have losing trades. In time being, we will have losing trades. Don't worry about it. Even we lose, we will be losing less money only. And for this trade, especially for this put diagonal trade, your maximum loss will come only on December 30th, not before that. Okay. So you are seeing some loss. A max loss is basically this 580 becoming zero. That is what is going to be your maximum loss. Okay. That loss will not happen today or tomorrow. That loss is going to happen only on December 30th. By December 30th, if you don't take any trade, now you are losing confidence, right? Because your long option is losing, so your confidence is gone. If you don't take the weekly trade and start eating the premium, you will end up in the maximum loss. Okay. If you keep on taking the weekly premium and compensate your losses in the long term option, the premium what you are collecting, the entire premium put together will be 25% more than the 580. Okay, that is what I am targeting. So at the end, you will have 25% more money. 25% more money in 12 weeks means what? Weekly 2%. Simple calculation. I am stressing this, that target weekly 2%. This will make wonders. Just don't lose confidence on your trades because there is one leg is losing. Not all the legs will gain in every trade. If you are losing the confidence, means in the call condor, what will do? In the call condor, if you see the 17,600, 17,700, 18,200, 18,300. This is the call condor I have given in the group. Now, do you come and tell me 17,700 is losing for losing 4,600 rupees, sir? 18,300 is losing 870 rupees, sir. You are giving a losing trade. Not like that. You have to see the P&L for that complete strategy. Right now, the P&L for the complete strategy is still positive, including whatever loss you are having, it is still positive. Why you are worried? There is no need to worry. Just stay put, hold the trade. If the 18,000 breaches successfully and the market closes above 18,000 on one day, next day morning, this strategy will be closed. Okay. I will change to a call calendar. My view will change to bullish. When my view is bullish, I am not going to use put calendar. Okay. I will be using call calendar. That time we will close this trade. We will be closing it in profit only. Don't worry, we will not make loss. We will be closing it in profit. We will close this trade and then we will open another strategy, a bullish strategy. May not be call calendar. We can use there are a lot of bullish strategies are there. I will introduce you to a new strategy also for that. And we will continue to take trades. Okay. We had a very fantastic run starting from 5th of August, means August, September, and we are in October. The complete August and September, we made huge money. How much money we made? You can see here how much money we made. We made close to 56K we have made. There is one trade which is happening, which is still profitable, but not as profitable as the previous ones. People are worried. You see, the money will come. Last 3-4 weeks or last couple of months, the market was in our favor. We had a call calendar, call diagonal. Many people were selling, sir, why we cannot take a put calendar? When I am taking call calendar, people are asking why I am not taking put calendar. When I am taking put calendar, people are asking, sir, why we are not taking call calendar? I don't know what is this. Is not a video game, right? We will see our market view. Based on the market view, we will choose a strategy and we will take. Okay. So just stay put. I don't want to extend this session because I am just showing my frustration on some of the members who are DMing me in the Telegram, asking very silly questions, but okay. As a teacher, I am answering them, but I have my inside frustration, which I am venting it out. So not to worry, just leave the trade as it is. When I am closing the trade, you can close it. Next time, if someone is asking for, sir, this is losing, that is losing, I have to simply answer that if you lose confidence in your trade, you can always come out of the trade. There is no force on you. You can always come out. There are people who have booked a 10,000 rupees profit in the first week itself and come out. After that, the trade went to 27,000. Okay. That time, few people have booked above in 24,000, few people have booked. So many of the people are still in the trade like me. Those people are having doubt. Sir, this will move. Why it is showing loss like that? Everything will become profitable. Just hold the trade tight till I am closing the trade and informing in the group. Do not close the trade. If you close the trade and come out with minor profit, that is entirely your responsibility. Okay. So take care. There is nothing to worry on this trade. Just stay put and follow whatever like I am putting it in the group. Okay. Take care. Bye bye. Hello guys. Welcome back to a put calendar diagonal rolling session. So today is 13th of October. So we are going to roll the 17650 put which is expiring tomorrow. So we are going to roll this to the next week. So right now we are in the profit of about 5100 rupees, but we are losing about 15k here. We have already booked good amount of profit in the previous weeks. So let us just see where we are in the put calendar. We have the Nifty calendar. So currently this is the running trade. So what we have done, we have already booked somewhere about 8,700 rupees. So we will be booking another 5,100. The trade which is the 18,000 PE, that is losing heavily because the market has gone above 18,100 and the view has changed slightly bullish. So what we can do is we can roll for one final time, then by the coming week probably like we will close the entire trade. Okay, so we will do one final roll 17,650. So we are going to collect another somewhere about 50 plus rupees of premium. So this is the next week's option chain. You can see this is 21st of October. I'll just refresh it one more time. So let us go to 21st of October and we have got about 51 rupees which is 17,800. So this is the option which we can sell. We have good amount of liquidity there. We can sell this option. We have only 10 paisa. This out of the money put, right? So let us add that put. Nifty weekly P 17,800. So we'll go to 21st of October. We added it. So it is right now trading at about 52 something. So let us see. Yeah, 52.45. So we will put the order for about 52.50 and we will try to execute. So before that, let us close this trade. Last week we had an issue. We will close this trade. So this trade is 595 currently running. So it's about 6 rupees. So we will put the order for 590 and let us see, it should execute at 590. Okay. Because buying, we should be buying for a lesser price, means we are making a little bit more money. So we will exit this first 90. So we have 100 quantity. We'll put a limit order of 5.9. Yes, this should execute immediately. 5.85, it has gone down a little bit. Yeah, 5.9 means it will execute immediately. We'll put 5.8. Let's see whether this will execute. So we'll place the order. We are not going to place the sell order for the next week. I want first this order to get executed, then we go to next week. Otherwise, again we will go through the hedging and other issues. So let us first wait for this execution. Should execute at any time. So there are about 23, 24 orders there. Let's see. 10 paisa difference is there. If market slightly goes up, this premium will come down. Should work out. So by the time it is getting executed, so let us go through some of our other trades, what is going on. This is just only the update because there are dedicated series videos for the other one. we have got a USD INR position which is doing reasonably well. Means when I started this video, this was somewhere about 10 paisa. So now it has come to about 6 paisa. It's coming down because USD INR is going up. You can see USD INR was trading at 75. Yeah, now I think it got executed. Let us cut short our USD INR stuff and we come back to our put diagonal spread. So right now we have got only the 18,000 PE December option. Don't worry, it is making loss. We are collecting the weekly premium to compensate this loss and eventually to make profit. Okay. One final roll we will make. Hopefully this is the final roll. If the market comes down, we might continue with this trade for some more time. So right now what we will do, that we will we will roll this option to 17,800, 21st October expiry at about 52 rupees. We will put order for 52, should get executed. Okay, let us sell this 100 quantity. So this is overnight, so it is coming down. So 51, 55, we will put 52, should get executed for 52 because the price will go here and there. This is a next week option, so the price will go here and there. Eventually it will come back and get executed. If we get anywhere around 50 also, it is okay. Okay, so let us sell this. So I put the order, limit order has been placed. It's coming down, but okay, eventually it will go up. Just wait, because the market is going up, that is why the put is coming down. The market slightly comes down, this put will start gaining. Okay, so right now the order is a limit order, so it has come to 50 rupees. Okay, so we put it at 52. See, it's always like that. Whenever like the market goes up, the next week put will start losing value, but the market, when it slightly comes down, so the put will start gaining the value and it will get executed in our limit price. So no need to chase the price, let it come. Otherwise we can change our strikes to one strike higher so that we can get the order filled. Okay, so we don't chase this premium. Okay, so the roll will be done. So once the roll is done, I'll get back, because to execute this one it is going to take time, so we will not wait for that. Let us see means how it works out. I'll catch you up once the roll is done. I'll update you here. Okay, thank you. Hello guys, so a quick update. So we have the 17,850 put executed at 52. So right now it is trading at 51.55. So I have rolled to 100 quantities. A long time, means we put the order for 17,800 at 52, which did not execute because the market was up. So it came to 42, 44 kind of level. We don't want to collect that premium. So a little bit higher, you can see the put has moved a little bit because the market is moving. So the put has also moved a little bit. Does not matter. Beginning, it will go like this only. So this has been rolled to the next week. Okay. Right now, lot of positions here. So right now the position is December 18,000 PE long, which is bleeding heavily, but we are trying to collect more premium. You can see means we have collected another 52 rupees of premium. So I'll update the tracker sheet and then I'll put it in the group also. So the roll for the next week is already done. Don't worry about the loss what is coming here. We are collecting good amount of premium. This has a lot of time for becoming zero, because this one is now about 200 rupees of loss. Does not matter. We continue collecting every week 52, 53 rupees. In 4 weeks we will collect the entire premium, whatever is lost here. We have already collected a lot of premium here. Let's see means what kind of premiums we collected here. Can go to our journal. Let's see what we collected on the calendar. It is a bit slow. Okay, calendar. So the trade is running. By end of the day I'll update. So this is what we have done is 850. Okay, so 800, say we move to 850. So the amount of premium what we have collected, you consider that total of 13,840 rupees of premium which we have collected and booked. Means some losses, but still okay. We have, at the end we have booked 13,840 plus we have done another 5200. So you add with that, so we have collected somewhere about 19,000 rupees. Means what is the currently the loss what is running here? The loss is running 18,000. So we are at the end at 1,000 rupees of profit only. Okay. So slowly we will keep on collecting these weekly premiums. At the end, the strategy will become profitable. So just hold the trade as of now. There is no need to panic or worry. The unbooked loss is always there in the system, but weekly we are booking profits. You can see means the market going up little bit, so the put starts losing the value, so we are at minor profit. This is what the calendar trade is. This is slow and steady. You don't get like some weeks we will hit a jackpot, like we'll get a 20,000 rupees profit within couple of weeks. That is quite possible. But some trades where the view is a bit different in the middle of the trade, when the view changes, the market trend changes, we will do some firefighting. That is what currently we are doing. I thought of closing the entire trade, but we will be closing it in a minor loss, about 3-4,000 rupees loss, which I don't want to do. So that is why I have collected a bit more premium to do one final roll up. Let's see, means if the market comes down in the next week, we might continue doing the roll of the puts. If the market continues to shoot up, probably like we will exit this trade and change our positions to a bullish positions. We will not be taking December. We will be either taking March or June month options, and we will continue selling the calls. Means bullish means we will do a call calendar. We will buy at the money call or in the money, slightly in the money call, about like 18,000 call we will buy. We will pay a huge premium for that, and we will start selling a weekly call against it. That becomes a call calendar. Okay, call calendar or call diagonal, you can say. Let's see means how it goes. So right now the update is the position is already there. You can see 18,000 December 18,000 PE is still running. Against it we have already rolled our put to the 21st of October expiry 17,850 PE. We sold 52 rupees 100 quantity. We have collected 5,200 rupees for this. Currently it is running in a minor profit. Okay, this closes the series 2, the second week or third week of it. We are closing this. Then I'll catch you up in the next week, because this PE, how it performs, how we will book the profit and how we will roll, that will be in the next series. This series will continue till I close the December put. Okay, take care. Bye bye. Hello guys, welcome to the put diagonal roll up video. So what we have got is a put calendar which is Nifty December 18,000 PE, and we have rolled yesterday, because today is Friday. I am recording this video. The roll up I could not record, so I am just giving a update on that. So we have rolled the 14th of October position. We had 17,850, means that is 21st of October. You can see here the 21st of October we had taken the positions. Couple of days, the position was there only for couple of days, because the market has gone up a lot in last couple of days. So we sold it for 52 rupees. We collected 5,200 rupees of premium. But yesterday I closed it on 14th was yesterday. Yesterday the premiums were about 17 plus rupees. So already there was a lot of decay happened here. So what I did was I simply like closed that put, and then I sold a bit higher put, 18,000 put. So right now the positions have become a calendar, put calendar. It is not a diagonal now, so it is a same strike, different expiry. So it has become a put calendar now. We are still losing heavily on the 18,000 PE of December. We have already lost about 25k, but we have collected a lot of premiums in the weekly. Let us see means where we are now. So we are about 7.4k loss. We have about 24,600 of loss, but every week we keep on rolling up the puts. Some weeks we had loss, so that was the hedge because we bought, so that was the hedge. So always means the buying, the hedges will always give loss, but the main trade will give profit, the sell trade will give profit. If your hedges are giving profit, as I said earlier, your main trade is losing. Okay, here the hedges we had a loss, the main trade has given a profit because this 17200 PE was basically a hedge for 17500. So 17500 has turned profitable. It's about 1100 rupees we booked here. So together what we have done, we have already booked the profit of about 17,275 rupees, plus we have a profit already here. We have collected 3,100 rupees of profit, means which the premium which we have not accounted in the profit because the trade is still running, so it will be misleading to put it here. Also I should not be putting, but just to see the overall positions I have shown. So if I put here the values, so right now where the value is, it is 25.45. so if I put 25.45 here, so you know that we are running at about 555 rupees of profit in this position. So these are the close prices. Okay, these are the booked profits, and these two running trades are basically the open trade, but the end of the day close price I have updated. This 333 is here. You can see 333.4 and 25.45. so this is how we track our put calendar or put diagonal position. So right now we are running at about 6.8k, and we have a lot of time still left for the December option. So right now we are on the October for third week, so it's mid of October. So we have the complete October, another two expiries are there for us, and the entire November expiry is there for us, and the entire December expiry is there for us. So we have got 2.5 months left. So together I think we have got about 10 to 11 expiries are still there. We will continue collecting the weekly premiums by either rolling the put during the week. If we are having a bigger loss here like this, we will roll the puts during the week and then collect additional premium, or we will book profits on the weekly positions and then roll to next week positions. Okay, so that is what we have been doing. As I said, this trade is going to be a long trade because the market is bullish and we are having a bearish position. Whenever we do a put calendar, out of the, when we did the positions, it was in the money put. Okay, when we started this position, Nifty was below 18,000. Okay, so now it is at 18,300. So now the put 18,000 put has become out of the money. When we have out of the money put buy, and we have further out of the money put sell, we have a bearish position, means the market should come down so that your bought put value will increase, and it should not go further down up to your sell strike, so that the sell option you will book the profit, full profit, and your buy option is also gained. So that is what is the idea. Here we have a bearish position, but the market is bullish. Okay, so what we do, that we wait out, we keep on collecting the weekly premium. The weekly premium number is not random. That is what I am always stressing. These premiums are based on how many weeks left, how much of the premium we paid for the long-term option. That premium value of the weekly option includes your profit margin also. As I told, I am expecting 25% of the profit in the entire trade. So I have put in 1,25,000. So I need 25% out of it. Up to now, I have not got the 25%. I had about like 27,000 of max profit here one time, but I wanted about 35,000. So I just hold that one. The trade, the market went up and the trade has gone against, but still means I may not realize the 35,000 today, but I might realize it close to December. So I am going to wait out for this trade. So let this trade go on for some more time. And the final position here is we have made the positions as a put calendar. So we are long in December 18,000 PE, and we are short in the weekly 21st October 18,000 PE. So the position, the weekly position is in profit, and the long-term position is in loss. This loss we are covering it by rolling the weekly puts. Okay, that is what we are doing. So this ends the series 2. So we will move to series 3 because right now this has become a put calendar. So I'll do the next week roll-ups as a new series. So right now the position is like this. So the blocked capital is about 1,25,000. Currently the strategy is running in a loss of 6,830 rupees, and we have 2.5 months left to close the to come out of this entire strategy position. Otherwise, the alternative is we should get about 35,000, 30 to 35 rupees, 35,000 rupees of profit. If we get in this strategy, we will close and come out. What I am thinking, 30 to 35,000, as based on the current market conditions, probably we will get somewhere in the mid of December, means not before that. The market is very bullish. If the market turns bearish, the 35,000 will come soon, because we already have a December 18,000 PE, and this still has a lot of premium. If the market comes down, this to take out this 580 will not take much time. Okay, we still have 2.5 months, so there is a lot of time value is left. So right now everything whatever you are seeing is time value, because the put is out of the money. So everything what you are seeing is a eccentric value, what we call it as a time value, mostly time value. It has volatility also, interest rate, everything is there, Rio volatility, everything is there, but mostly this is theta value. If it is in the money, okay, we have some intrinsic value, that is the spot minus your strike, or the strike minus your spot. On the put side, that's a strike minus your spot. Means if the market goes to 17,500, so whatever premium is there, out of that 500 rupees will be your intrinsic value. Okay, the remaining whatever is left, so that is eccentric value. The eccentric value has lot of things inside it, means mainly people call it time value because most of it is time value. Okay, then it has got Rio is basically your interest rate, then it has got IV also. So IV what we call Vega. Okay, so the IV is also inside this. Okay, so everything put together, what we call it as a eccentric value. So the intrinsic value, there is no intrinsic value in this, so it's only eccentric value. So this closes the series 2 of the put calendar or diagonal spread. I'll start the next series. Same trade will continue, but it will be a new series. Okay, signing off. This is JR. May the markets be with you. Take care. Bye bye.
Thank you for watching. Please post any questions you have in the comment section. Also, do not forget to like and share the video and subscribe to the channel. To find us on Twitter, Telegram and Facebook, use the username NiftyBN. Also, we post some of our trades to the community tab. So do not forget to check that from time to time.